To assign scheduling privilege in Zoom, log into your Zoom account as zoom.us. Click on the My Meetings Settings tab and scroll down to Schedule Privilege. Click Add next to Assign Scheduling Privilege to, and enter the email address of the person that you want to assign scheduling privilege to. Click Assign, and this person will then be able to schedule Zoom meetings for you. To assign scheduling privilege in Outlook, open Outlook. Go to Preferences, Accounts, Advanced and Delegates. To add a delegate, click the plus sign and find the person that you want to assign scheduling privilege to. Click OK and then finish by clicking OK again. You will then be able to schedule for this person. In Outlook, to schedule a Zoom meeting on behalf of someone else, open the shared calendar and click New Meeting. In the front field, choose a person you want to schedule for and then click Add a Zoom Meeting. You should then see that you are now scheduling for that person. Confirm the settings and click Continue. The meeting details should then populate. You can then add any recipients as well as any Zoom rooms or room resources. Once you've verified the date and the time, go ahead and click on Send. The meeting will now appear on the calendar as well as on your upcoming meetings list.